The DJI Osmo Pocket series has transformed portable videography by delivering professional-grade stabilization in a handy package. With the Osmo Pocket 3 only entering the market last year, tech enthusiasts are already talking about its future successor, the Osmo Pocket 4. In today's video, we'll explore the rumors surrounding this small beast. We'll look at the features that could make the Osmo Pocket 4 a must-have for vloggers and casual users. So, let's begin. While concrete facts about the Osmo Pocket 4's design are limited, speculations indicate some significant enhancements. The device is believed to be significantly larger than its predecessor, measuring 140 x 43 x 35 mm and weighing 190 g. Despite the small increase in size and weight, the Pocket 4 is intended to remain highly portable. A big update to the display is rumored, with whispers pointing to a 2.5-inch rotating touchscreen. This larger screen, if accurate, would have a resolution of 480 x 800 and an amazing brightness of 800 nits. The rumored DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to build upon its predecessor's high standard. Reports mention that it may feature a 1-inch CMOS sensor with 12 megapixels or higher resolution, paired with a 20mm f2.0 or faster lens. This could address previous detail and sharpness concerns while maintaining strong low-light performance and dynamic range. Video features are anticipated to see significant enhancements, with rumors pointing to 4K at 240 fps or 3K at 120 fps in vertical format, surpassing the Pocket 3's 4K 120 fps performance. The device is rumored to support 10-bit video with D-Log-M and HDR. Autofocus could see a major upgrade with a speculated ActiveTrack 7.0, possibly incorporating phase detection and eye-tracking technologies. If true, this improvement might address the inconsistencies observed in difficult conditions with the Pocket 3. The rumored DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to introduce new capabilities to meet evolving user demands. While the Pocket 3 offered portrait filming, live streaming, and dynamic framing, the Pocket 4 might upgrade these features for even more intuitive use. One area of improvement is accessories. The Pocket 3's Creator Combo was comprehensive, but the Pocket 4 could introduce an expanded range of add-ons. Users might see new options like an external battery pack for extended shooting, a waterproof case for underwater adventures, a telephoto lens adapter for increased versatility, or a set of ND filters for greater control in bright conditions. These accessories could be offered as part of an enhanced bundle or as separate purchases. While concrete details about the Osmo Pocket 4's battery are not yet available, we can take a guess based on its predecessor's performance. The Pocket 3 featured a 1300 mAh battery, up from the Pocket 2's 875 mAh. This upgrade allowed for 166 minutes of 1080p recording and about 2 hours at 4K. Perhaps most impressively, it could fully charge in just 32 minutes. For Pocket 4, we might expect further improvements in capacity and efficiency. Given the 3-year gap between the Pocket 2 and Pocket 3, we might expect the Pocket 4 to arrive in late 2026 or early 2027, barring any changes to DJI's product cycle. As for pricing, each iteration has seen an increase. The Pocket 3 launched at $539 for the standard version and $689 for the Creator Combo. Following this trend, the Pocket 4 might be priced around $699 for the standard version and possibly $799 for the Creator Combo, reflecting the upgrades and new features. The speculated DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is on its way to changing the pocket videography market even further. It has the ability to shake up the experience for content creators with its improved sensor quality, video capabilities, autofocus technology, and charging speed. As always, we should wait for the official announcement by DJI itself for the exact details of this upcoming marvel. Thanks for watching. Share your thoughts on this rumored DJI camera in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more.